Long him through St. Lo. And he was dead, but he said he was going to be the place
Hello?
for St. Lo.
That's amazing.
Yeah, it was amazing.
What?
A young fellow, I don't know, I think he was 28 years old, or something, about 30 years old. He was a blood and guts guy. And, look, we were all blood and guts because we had to do what we were told. We went. And we attacked.
Hold on. Emily!
If we had to kill, we killed. We're not. Then after we got to St. Lo, we went in the uninhabited area. We took France.
Do you want us to try to all squeeze in the two cars that we've got
Keep
here?
talking.
No. Grandma don't like to hear.
How'd it go up?
We're already down the escalator. We're right outside.
And then